Good morning. The last time we started HTML and we saw this, we started with our first heading, second heading, third heading, first paragraph, like that. And this is what we had the last time before we stopped the class. Today we want to continue. Today we want to try and give our website a background color, font color, then we can also try to input some images to the website. Do you get me? Okay, so let's start with the background color. Remember, the background color should be in the body quotes, so that you know that everything on your page will take the color. So the background color is BG. Background color BG color. Then what is the color you want? Let's make our color green. You can make it anything you want, just put it like that. That is the background color. Then also should I just save this? Let me save this so that subsequently as we are working you see it changes as it comes. So let's make this color page. Let me just make that color page. Don't forget .html. Make it your .html. Don't forget that extension. Then after that we can now go and run it. We can go to run the page. I saved it as color page, so let me run it. So you see the background is green. Also you can make your heading and you can give a font color or your paragraph. You can make your paragraph a certain color. You understand? So let's try to make our heading, maybe the first heading. Let's make our first heading. Let's give our first heading a color. So the first thing, you open the tag, then font color, equals to, what do you want the font color to be? Let's make it blue, so that it won't be the same as the other thing. And after you make it blue, don't forget you must end the tag. Beautiful. That's why I love text, this special text editor. It tells you what you want to do. Then if it's that's what you want to do, you just leave it and so let's save it and see how that looks like. Remember, our background, our first heading was black before, which is the default color. Today let's now see what it turns out to be. Refresh your page, you see it becomes blue. But if we did not, if we did not end the quotes, let me remove the quotes. We did not end the quotes and we now saved and went to run. Everything is going to be blue. All our writing with the paragraph, everything is going to be blue. You see, because you have not ended the tag. So that's why it's advisable to end the tag. If you don't want everything to be affected, end your tag. So once you end your tag, save, then go and run it again. You'll see that it's working. You see? Okay, better. So that is that about that. Also let's try and import image. Two things I want to talk about importing image. There are two ways you can import image. You can import image from any directory, from any folder. Do you understand? But when you are uploading an image from any folder, you put the directory of the image. I advise people to just use the second method, which is just put your images in the folder that contains your HTML code. so that it will be easily accessible, and you need to be putting the directory of the image. So let's say img source equals to what is the name of your image. My image is already in the folder of the HTML file. Where's the image? Okay, this is the image. You can see this is the image. Shoe on display. Shoe on display. So you just said shoe on display. So shoe on display dot, what is the extension of your image? JPG. You see? Then you come here, you close your tag. Image is a self-close element, so better you can just put a /. That's okay. That shows the end. Do you understand? So now go to your image and let's to your website. Let's do it. You see what happened? This is not what we wanted. You see, the whole image filled the whole page. So we can also size our image. We can size our image to a specific width. Okay, this is the width I want my image to be. So how do you do that? After you must have written the name of the image .jpg, the extension of the image, then you now put width. Then you now say the dimension of the width. You understand me? Width, let's say 50. You understand? Then save. Then go back and reload. Let's see what we have. You see? So it depends. If you want it to be of different image like that, you can let me. I don't have any other image on this system, so I will just copy. I'll just copy the same thing in different places so that I can have different images on the same line. Let me see how that one will look like. So if I want display of difference like that, you see, so this is one, this is one, this is one. So that is that. So you can play around with it, get familiar with the code, then ask me any further question in the class. Thank you.